The next one says, find the equation of all horizontal asymptotes, if any. Now with horizontal asymptotes, the actual math behind finding them involves calculus, which this is an algebra class, so we're not going to use calculus to find it. What we have is a set of rules that we're going to memorize that have been summarized through calculus by somebody else. So let me pull up those rules for you before we try to do this example. So these are the rules related to horizontal and oblique or slant asymptotes. So we have 4 different cases here, and all 4 cases are based on the degree of the numerator and the degree of the denominator. The degree of the numerator and denominator is basically the highest power on x. So our 4 cases are where the degree of the numerator is less than the degree of the denominator, n is less than m. The degree of the numerator is equal to the degree of the denominator. The degree of the numerator is 1 more than the degree of the denominator. And then when the degree of the numerator is 2 or more than the degree of the denominator. So each one of those cases has these different rules here. So in this first case, the horizontal asymptote is going to be y equals 0. And in the next case, the horizontal asymptote is the ratio of the leading coefficients. In the third case, there's no horizontal asymptote, and in the fourth case, there's no horizontal asymptote. So let's get back to our example with these in mind. So if you'll remember, we're looking for the horizontal asymptote for f of x equals 5 over x minus 4. And in order for us to find the horizontal asymptote, we need to know the degree of the numerator and the degree of the denominator so we can figure out which one of these cases applies. So let me zoom in a little bit here. In our denominator, we have this variable x, and the power on that x is going to be a 1 since nothing is listed. So our degree of the denominator, which we call m, is 1. In the numerator, there's no variable, and since there's no variable, the degree of the numerator is 0. So if we compare our degree of the numerator and degree of the denominator, our numerator is less than the denominator. So that is case 1. In case 1, we have a horizontal asymptote of y equals 0. So it's the line y equals 0, not just the number. The horizontal asymptote is an equation, so you have to write the equation y equals 0. Thank you for checking out my videos. Have a great day.